Yeah, and as we get older, guarantees become more important. Like I said earlier, people tend to get a little more conservative as they get older because when you're in your 20s and 30s, you can afford to take more risk because you're playing the long game, okay? And then the game gets shorter when you're in your 40s, 50s, and then it gets really shorter when you're in your 60s. That those decisions you make all along the way can impact where you wind up. So I encourage younger people. I don't know how many the exact demographics of how many 20 something year olds we have listening to the show or 30s, but look, at the end of the day, if you've got an employer that offers a 401k plan, jump in with both feet, contribute as much pre-tax money as you can. If they offer you a Roth 401k option, take that because as we've said before, a Roth can grow tax-free because it's funded with after-tax money. So get into the company 401k plan, save as much as you can, as long as you can, and that is going to be a great building block to being in a better position when you do reach the stage in your 40s, 50s, 60s, that we primarily work with listeners of our show. So that's number one. Jump in.